We live in a global community. It is filled with amazing flavors and ingredients and food that is so exciting and fun to try. And that's why I think it's so important that we help our kids explore the food of the world and not just be stuck in a chicken nugget rut. That's why this year I'm forcing my family to go on a culinary journey around the world right here at our own kitchen table. Every month this year, we are trying food from a new place. Hi, I'm Jenny from the Gingered Whisk, and I'm a foodie and a mama of 3 girls. We definitely loved the Nordic food that we tried. It was so good, and I'm definitely adding it to our meal plan again. Hit like and subscribe so that you can see where we're traveling to next.